Good day everyone. This is our work for ELS CNA 17. This is picture show different sketches of butterflies, each with slight variation in their wings, shape, and patterns. In terms of animal evolution, this difference can represent how species gradually change over time to adapt to their environment. Just like in natural selection, some butterflies may develop traits that help them survive better, such as camouflage or stronger wings over many generations. These small changes accumulate, leading to the evolution of new species. This simple drawing activity can symbolize how variation with a population in a population is the foundation of evolutionary change. Yun lang po. Thank you po.